Linear sequence, general term. How to find the general term of linear sequence? Given sequence 4, 8, 12, 16. First find the difference. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. If the first difference is constant, use linear equation. So the constant for here is the value of a in this formula. So substitute a. This is 4n. The first term is 4. So our general term is a sub n equals to 4n. To check, if n is 1, 4 times 1 is 4. If n is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. If n is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. If n is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. Determine the general term of linear sequence. Ang mga sample problems dito ay puro linear sequence. So, ibig sabihin, lahat to, ang first difference nila ay constant. At ang ginagamit nating equation ay linear equation, which is a sub n equals to an plus b. Letter A. Sequence 5, 11, 17, 23. Find the difference. 11 minus 5 is 6. 17 minus 11 is 6. 23 minus 7 is 6. So their common difference is 6. Substitute 6 to A, we have 6n. The first term here is 5. So subtract 1 to make it 5. Because if n is 1, 6 times 1 is 6, minus 1 is 5. Letter B, sequence 3, 7, 11, 15. Find the difference. 7 minus 3 is 4, 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 11 is 4. So their common difference is 4. Substitute to A, we have 4n. The first term here is 3. So we subtract 1. Because if n is 1, 4 times 1 is 4, minus 1 is 3. Letter C. Sequence 7, 9, 11, 13. Find the difference. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 11 is 2. Their common difference is 2. Substitute 2 to A. So we have 2n. First term here is 7. So add 5. Because if n is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 5 is 7. Letter D. Sequence negative 1, negative 3, negative 5, negative 7. Find the difference. Negative 3 minus negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 5 minus negative 3 is negative 2. Negative 7 minus negative 5 is negative 2. So substitute to A, we have negative 2n. The first term here is negative 1. So add 1. Because if n is 1, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Plus 1 is negative 1. Letter E. Sequence 3, 5, 7, 9. Find the difference. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. So their common difference is 2. Substitute to a, we have 2n. The first term here is 3, so we add 1. Because if n is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Explanation on letter D. The sequence, find the difference. Negative 3 minus negative 1 equals negative 3 plus 1 equals negative 2. Negative 5 minus negative 3 equals negative 5 plus 3 equals negative 2. Negative 7 minus negative 5 equals negative 7 plus 5 equals to negative 2. Their common difference is negative 2. Then, if n is 1, substitute to negative 2n plus 1. Negative 2 times 1 plus 1 is equals to negative 2 plus 1 is equals to negative 1. Letter F. Sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Find the difference. 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3, 14 minus 11 is 3. So their common difference is 3. Substitute to A, so we have 3n. The first term here is 2. So we subtract 1. Because if n is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. Letter G. Sequence 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Find the difference. 18 minus 9 is 9, 27 minus 18 is 9, 36 minus 27 is 9, 45 minus 36 is 9. So their common difference is 9. Substitute to A, we have 9n. The first term here is 9. So this is already the general term. Because if n is 1, 9 times 1 is 9. Letter H. Sequence 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Find the difference. 14 minus 13 is 1, 15 minus 14 is 1, 16 minus 15 is 1, 17 minus 16 is 1. So their common difference is 1. Substitute to A, we have 1n or just n. The first term here is 13. So we add 12. Because if n is 1, 1 plus 12 is 13. Letter I. Sequence 7, 15, 23, 31, 39. Find the difference. 15 minus 7 is 8. 23 minus 15 is 8. 31 minus 23 is 8. 39 minus 31 is 8. So their common difference is 8. Substitute to A, we have 8n. First term here is 7, so we subtract 1. Because if n is 1, 8 times 1 is 8, minus 1 is 7. Letter J. Sequence 20, 17, 14, 11, 8. Find the difference. 17 minus 20 is negative 3. 14 minus 17 is negative 3. 11 minus 14 is negative 3. 8 minus 11 is negative 3. So their common difference is negative 3. Substitute to A, we have negative 3n. The first term here is 20. So we add 23 to make it 20. Because if n is 1, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Plus 23 is 20.